ProCheck for me has changed my business. It's a no-brainer. You need to see what's happening inside a system. It allows me to involve the customer and explain and demonstrate what's happening in their system. It starts that conversation. You can then start discussing things like MagnaClean filters, water quality, inhibitors, other products that you wouldn't normally talk about on a service.
Having done service and repair for a number of years and seeing what sludge and scale build-up does to components, I think it's important to address it rather than just leave it. Sludge, it can do all sorts of things to a heating system, not only damage pumps, valves, radiators, you lose your efficiency in the system. So it is important that the customer's aware of what's going on.
ProCheck makes the process a lot more efficient because I can gather those results immediately on the spot. So within a couple of minutes, I have the test results there and then on my phone, as opposed to in the past having to post that off, wait for the results to come back, try and book an appointment that's convenient with the customer and for myself, which obviously could be quite difficult. When customers see the results of the water check, they're actually quite astonished. They can visually see that we're not making these results up. This has just come out of your system. This is what the water looks like.
Using ProCheck, it has made my business more profitable. There's nothing like this that's been on the market before, and it's so easy to do. And within literally 5 minutes, you've got the results, and you can show the customer, email them to them. They've got a copy. They can address any issues sooner rather than later.
Business has increased because the customers want their boilers to be the best that they can. This is leading to more sales, better systems, cleaner systems. The proof is in the pudding. I've already seen sales increase by 70%. On sludge-related faults.
I think it's a fantastic concept. I'd definitely get one on your van. I think it's a great kit to your armoury, and as I've seen it and worked with it, I think it's a definite game changer.